What's good, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Weekly Outlook. Now in this episode we will be discussing quickly about gold, euro USD, GBP USD and dollar index. So without wasting any further time, let's quickly get started. As usual, we always begin our analysis with the dollar index. Now what's very interesting over here is, once again, one more week we have spent again managing to close right inside this. If you observe right here, we have again managed to close above this structure. Now this still indicates that there is a possibility we can still turn around, right? So it's a mixed signal. This week most likely we'll either see a nice red candle here or a nice green bullish candle over here like this, right? So I'm expecting one side momentum this week, because this here we have to decide now whether we have to be bullish or bearish on DXY, and so far there is still no clean direction, right? We'll look at GBP USD and euro USD to get more idea, of course, but for time being we have to consider the possibility that we can see a turnaround, we can see a continuation on the higher side any time soon, right? So let's take a quick look on euro USD. So for time being, right now we have created this some supply area. After that we did have a small push and a structure break on the downside. After that we also had a minor break on the upside right here. You can see a candle has closed comfortably, not one but two. So my bias for the week on euro USD could be bullish. Now what could be the potential levels to look for longs, right? So definitely we will see some reaction from here, maybe some nice pullback into this, or even a sweep of all these lows and then a continuation on the upside. So overall what I will be looking at is this possibility to play out, right? Let's see if we have something else. And we can also, as I said, we can definitely do this sweep, this low right here, and then continue on the upside. So as long as at least this is protected, I would like to assume we are bullish and we should continue higher in my opinion. Let's take a quick look on GBP USD. So I think we are pretty much at all-time highs of this specific year, and here we have some liquidity pending. The closing also looks very good, honestly. So we can expect a continuation again on GU, but maybe after some small retracement. Now it could be a retracement towards this or towards these levels, right? So you can continue to look for longs if something like this happens, right? We also have this liquidity, so yeah, it makes a lot of sense. You can see a continuation either from this these levels, below this or below this, right? So overall we will look for longs only on GU. I will be positionally bearish on GU if we break below 1.3 levels, right? Same with euro USD. If we break below 1.1 levels on euro, I will be positionally bearish. Now finally let's take a quick look on gold. So gold also, we have a very simple setup right now. We broke this recent structure on the higher side right here. So if I were to mark the fibs from this low to this high, currently 0.5, 0.6 and 0.7, this is pretty much where you can expect a nice reaction from, and a new potential higher low could be seen forming like this, right? In case we just continue to push higher, then maybe you can consider looking for some short opportunities from 2647 or 2674 odd levels towards these levels. Now on gold as well, at least based on a 4-hour time frame, I would positionally turn bearish if we break below 25, 45, 47 odd levels. Even on a daily time frame, that would be a good break of structure, and if it were to play like this, then this could be your accumulation, this could be the manipulation, and we could see some distribution like this on the downside, right? So that is one possibility, of course, which can play out, but for time being we will focus on the 4 hour only, because we are not really sure whether we'll break below this or not. So the ideal circumstance is you look for shorts from 2647 2674 odd levels, to short towards this. And if in case you get a buying opportunity from Monday, then definitely you look for longs from 2570 to 85 odd levels, right, to target your all-time highs. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one.